Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best adjustable laptop desks for bed in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Avantree Neetto Height Adjustable Laptop Bed Desk. We start with Avantree College's adjustable laptop table, one of the sturdiest products we tested in this list. Right out of the box, the table is striking to look at with its sleek, modern design. The use of high-quality materials was also noticeable during the simple assembly process. The table features a wide base that can easily support larger laptops up to 17 inches. The desktop can tilt up to 30 degrees with a simple locking mechanism to keep it in place so you can keep your laptop at the optimal viewing angle. Small protruding plastic tabs prevent the laptop from slipping the table. The table also features adjustable legs with a simple tab mechanism to adjust height. The legs have a wide base to enhance stability but still manage to be foldable under the surface, which, along with its light weight, makes this table remarkably portable. The soft rubber edge around the entire desk is also a nice touch. Available in a choice of subtle beige or a flashy American cherry, this was also one of the more pricey tables we tested. That said, the use of quality material and sound ergonomic design along with excellent customer reviews makes it an investment worth making. Pros: simple, intuitive design with easy adjustability. High-quality materials and finish with a 2-year warranty. Large desktop and wide base. Cons: more expensive than the competition. Number 2. Our second best pick is SAIJI Adjustable Bed Desk for Laptop. 2 autolock buttons on each side can make the quick change in height easily. Table legs can be set to 5 different heights, adjustable from 10.6 to 15.4. In addition, 2 clamps can be used to adjust the surface angle. Surface can be set to 4 different angles, from 0 to 36 degrees. Note: the laptop stopper and user manual be putted into the storage drawer. A detachable mouse and notebook slip can keep your device on the lap desk, preventing the tablet and mouse slide off from the SAIJI laptop bed tray desk. Ideal hospital, business, school, gifts choice. This multifunctional table will be a perfect addition to your office, home or home office. Use it as a laptop workstation, laptop stand for bed, a children's bed table, a mini writing table, laptop couch table, a standing table for office work. It becomes the great balance for relaxing and productivity. Light but sturdy, SAIJI laptop bed tray desk can be fold flat for space-saving storage. This lap desk allows you to work on the spot, in which you can set your laptop writing workstation anywhere. It can make your work environment become more healthier and more convenient. Any question about SAIJI laptop bed tray, please contact us via email first time. We have a replacement within 12 months and professional customer service support. Number 3. Our third best pick is SONGMICS Laptop Desk for Bed Sofa with Adjustable Tilting Top. This lap desk is probably one of the most well-designed lap desks out there. Many rave about the adjustable, tilting top, which is really brilliant. 100% natural bamboo, which is not only but also as durable as solid wood. Specially constructed tabletop withstands heavy loads and will not wear out or deform. The breakfast table have 5 angled positions for various viewing experience. The 9.1 to 13.8 height adjust range fits people of different heights. 2 metal latches prevent leg wobbling. The bed tray always plenty of space for you to surf the net, read or do arts and crafts while sitting on the sofa or having breakfast in bed. Store small items such as USB flash disks, pens and stickers easily. Built-in magnet keeps the drawer from sliding out while moving the desk around. No assembly required, it's ready to go right out of the box. Feel free to reach to our customer service if you have any trouble with this product. Your satisfaction is our priority. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Moclever Laptop Table for Bed Multifunctional Laptop Bed Table Tray. Moclever Portable Laptop Table brings a full-featured desk to the mix at a very reasonable price. With its hard plastic construction and dual surfaces for both your mouse and laptop, it is a definite contender for the best laptop desk. The table immediately checks the ergonomic design box with its main tilting surface and height-adjustable legs with 2 height options. You have the option of keeping the mouse pad level on one surface while keeping the laptop tilted at an optimal angle, preventing buildup of strain in the wrist. Moreover, the table also features a built-in fan to keep your laptop cool as well as an LED light to light up your keyboard should it not have a backlight. It also features 4 USB ports to allow you to easily charge devices independent of your laptop. Lastly, a small storage compartment is also included to stow away small items. The Moclever laptop tray accommodates laptops up to 15 inches. The solid construction and onboard electronics mean it is a tad heavier than the competition. Some users also report quality problems with the electronics, and the hard plastic lacks a premium feel. However, a very respectable rating on its Amazon page and a 1-year warranty make this definitely product worth considering. Pros: hard plastic construction. Built-in fan for cooling and 4 USB ports for charging devices. Adjustable tilt and height for good ergonomic fit. LED light for working in the dark. Cons: heavier than other laptop trays. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Laptop Desk Nnewvante Adjustable Laptop Desk Table 100MB with USB fan. Nnewvante brings a unique offering to the laptop desk niche with its bamboo laptop tray. Finished in natural bamboo, this tray offers great features in an attractive design at a very reasonable price. Right out of the box, the tray feels very solid to hold and requires no assembly other than unfolding the legs. The natural bamboo construction feels wonderful and looks great in its natural brown color. The tray features a single tilting surface with 5 tilt settings up to a maximum of 45 degrees, which is ideal for working on your bed while propped up against a pillow. Moreover, the right quarter of the tray remains level to let you use your mouse without any awkward wrist angles, and also features indentations for your cell phone and coffee mug. The height can be adjusted from the minimum 8.8 inches up to 12.9 inches thanks to the adaptable legs. The tray also features a fan to keep your laptop cool by simply plugging the provided cable into your laptop's USB port. A conveniently places drawer provides easy storage for small items. That said, it does struggle to accommodate larger 17-inch laptops despite stating support for them. A few users also complained about a malodorous smell upon opening the package. Pros: unique and attractive bamboo construction. Good ergonomics with adjustable height and 5-step tilt. Reasonable price and 1-year warranty. Built-in fan. Cons: some quality control issues reported by users. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.